Hello everyone, today I'm going to be trying to code a game where rays bounce off of mirrors and shapes. I will be coding this in vanilla JavaScript and will post it on my website. You can find the link in the video description. I hope you enjoy this video. So what I'm planning is that a ray will be shooting up from the bottom of the screen like this. You will be able to place objects, and based on the angle of the face that the ray hits, the ray will get bounced in a different direction. I have some math for finding the angle between 2 points that I looked up, so I can use that to find the angle of the colliding face. I also have some code for sensing collisions and the point they collide at from a polygon collisions project that I haven't finished yet, so I'll be able to use that code in this project. Now to get started on the project. I'm going to start by rendering the rays on the HTML canvas. I'm using the HTML canvas because it's easy to draw shapes on. Alright, the ray is done. As you can see, there are a few fixed points at the bottom, which should be where the ray bounces off of an object. Then at the end, the ray goes on forever in a specified direction. I have it rotating right now just to show that it can go in different angles, but normally it would go in the direction that it bounces off of whatever face it last touched. The face of an object, not a face. Also, if you remove this line of code here, it will make cool patterns. Now it's time for rendering the shapes. Now I have the shapes done. You can click to place points and press space to start a new shape. The shapes automatically connect back to the first point so that they form a polygon. It also creates points at a specified distance along the side of each shape and along the ray. This will let me sense if two lines are overlapping. Now it's time for the collisions. I got a bit carried away and finished most of the game. As you can see, the ray is in the center pointing up. If I place a shape in front of the ray will bounce off realistically. I made the equation for bouncing myself. I had a few problems with the rotation of the ray, but I won't explain that now because it will take a while. I also removed the feature where shapes loop back and close because I found that it didn't help with the game. You can make some pretty cool patterns in this, and you can also trap the ray in a box to make it bounce around a lot. You press R to restart, click to place a point, and press space to make a new shape. However, this isn't a game yet. We need an objective to make it an actual game. So what I'm planning is that the ray will be pointing in a random direction, and there will be a square at a random place on the screen. You will have to direct the ray with mirrors to hit the square, and then it will randomize again. I'll see you after I've finished that. The game is finally finished. You can aim the ray, and when you hit the green block, everything randomizes. Now when you press R, it keeps the same level, but just removes the shapes you have placed. You can play this game at pigsquiggle.netlify.app. The link will be in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did and if you didn't, because I'm having a subscriber war with my friend. Bye!